Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are doing well, enjoying this beautiful weather we're having. I wanted to introduce you today to our 2022 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. The Super Sports were redesigned in 2018 for the 60th anniversary, and they did an incredible job with the heel-up redesign and adding some nice swim platforms in the back. So we're going to start at the helm here. Great seating position. You have 5 different options of seats, so you can have everything fully bare like we have right now, or you can add some very comfortable chairs, bench seats, pads, anything you want. So the fun thing about the Super Sports is they're very customizable. At the helm here we have the windshield and a very nice lockable waterproof box here for you to put all your valuables in. But a great, really fun boat. You're low down to the water, 9-inch draft, so you can get into really shallow areas, but still a nice enough modified V to cut through that shot versus slamming on top. Some other options you can add on this boat is a cooler with cushion here, and then a bow cushion on the front. You've got a really nice anchor locker. Everything's finished out on whalers, so there's not any raw fiberglass. Everything's built to last a long time on this boat. Low profile rails throughout, easy grab rails to hold on to. And then we added a bimini top, have a 6.5 gallon fuel tank, and then Mercury's 40 horsepower 4-stroke on the back. Plenty of power for this boat. Carries 4 people comfortably. And then we also added the teak swim platforms with a ladder on the back, easy access on and off this boat. But a great boat for taking around all your favorite sandbars, getting on and off the sandbar easily, and then a boat that can handle some chop when it comes in time in the waterway. So if you'd like to see this boat or any of our others, please give me a call, 910-256-8100. And again, my name is Chris Honig, and hope you'll have a great day.